Having trouble with group texts on Consumer Cellular? Group texting problems often stem from MMS settings, APN configurations, or chat settings. First, ensure MMS is enabled in your phone's settings. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. For iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network. Next, verify your APN settings. The correct APN should be CC Data with blank username and password. The MMSC should be hproxymobile.net for AT networks or HMS3vtex.com for Verizon networks, with MMS proxy as proxy.mobile.a.net or 205.23923.136 and port 80. Incorrect settings are a common cause, so double-check these against Consumer Cellular's official support documentation to resolve MMS failures. For a more robust group texting experience, enable RCS in your messaging app. RCS replaces SMS and MMS with enhanced features like typing indicators and high-quality media sharing. To enable RCS, go to your messaging app settings and activate chat features, ensuring your phone number is linked. If problems persist, try restarting your device or toggling airplane mode. For advanced troubleshooting, reset your network settings or contact Consumer Cellular support for plan-specific guidance. Remember that the shift to RCS aims to phase out MMS dependency, so keeping your apps updated and RCS enabled will provide the most reliable group texting experience. Also, be aware that international roaming or cross-network group texts may still face challenges, so always verify your settings are optimized for your current network conditions.